Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode in Project Car, in which we'll have a quick look what has happened over the last 2 weeks of February. Now, as you can see, the car is gone. It's no longer here, and that is because the guys that are going to restore the bodywork for me have collected it last week. They're down in the south end of the UK, and they're going to be doing all the work that is beyond my skill level, because I want to make sure that the car is safe for both road and rally use later on. Now, other than that, not a whole lot has happened in the garage. I've not spent a lot of time in here because last week my daughter was born. So as you can imagine, I've been busy with a lot of other things than spending them here. So that means that hopefully in 2 weeks' time I'll have a bit more for you. If not, we're going to have a look at maybe some specials or unboxing a few things. I've received some really good instruments, instrument gauges from the United States earlier last week, so we might be able to have a look at those and just see what else has gone on in the next 2 weeks. Until then, I'd like to thank you for always joining me, subscribing, following the channel, asking your questions and feedback, and I'll hope to see you in 2 weeks' time. Bye bye.